Welcome to Waredot Support. How to install and activate Waredot Antivirus? Open the Waredot download link that you have received on your email. Click on the green button Download Now. Software is getting downloaded. Double-click on the downloaded file and click on Install. Now follow the instructions on your computer screen. Click on Close. Open Waredot Antivirus from your desktop. Click on System is Protected and then click on License on the left menu. Then on the Activate button, fill in the details and the activation key that you have received on your email after purchase. Activation is done successfully. If you have any question, visit the support portal waredot.com/support.